Now, أوف شوية again is related to ضيعني, دوية and all those, but it means not sad. It's more like here, as it says, frustration, annoyance, what a bother, so annoying. Okay. Off شوية, off شيطانة, off everything. All right, look, off everything. إذا da un palo arancione, un colore arancione. All right. عملت بحالة tabella. Tabella means a table. Okay. بقرا كليم. All right. طبعا هذا بيقام دين. فأعمل دين عشان نحصل اللي متى نجي لهم نستقسم كيف انتم يقول لك for example my shoulders hurt ما يعرفوش كيف يقولوا. All right. فأعمل دين. Now دين كان عملت زبالة. Rich. I'll explain that. All right. So هنقراو down في يمكن. All right. واحدة كل واحد نبدأ هنعملوا لي مارتن ميشيل ودايان. ابدأ واحدة كل واحد.
عندي وجهة راس.
تجاني راسي.
تجاني دارسة.
تجاني زقي.
تجاني ودنتي.
تجاني صالتي.
تجاني سيئي.
تجاني عيني.
يجاني on e on e
يجاني داري.
يجاني لستونكو.
يجاني سباليا.
يجوني
يجاني
يجوني سآيا.
يجاني ونيا.
يجاني كريزمية.
يجوني رجلية.
Scusami, عملت تيكا. ارجع ده. جو.
يجاني رجلية.
يجاني عينيا.
It's قبل ما نكملوا. Alright. تنسوا في لاينو شو صيغة تعمل دين؟ ما سمعت. This is O. O as in soul. So huge. O. يجوني. فيجوني صلية. يجوني سعية. يجوني ودنية. يجوني كريزمية. يجوني رجلية. ويجوني عينية. بعدين بقرا يجوني my hands. كيف نقول my hands or my arms?
يجوني يديا.
Okay. All right. Any question before I tell you what I want to tell you about this? There's a few things, but any questions?
So the top part is one. My foot hurts, my eye hurts. The last section is like plural.
Yes.
But the middle one, I'm not sure because my neck hurts. We've only got one neck.
Yes.
So I don't know why it's not tujani on it.
Anyone help out with that one? That was one of the things I wanted to tell you. So we say tujani rasi. However, we say yujani oni. Think of the verb. Yujani tujani. What normally starts with ter and you?
Male or feminine.
Exakt. Okay. So for example, I call or ye call. Ter and you.
Okay. So,
all right.
So neck is male.
Exakt.
Okay.
So every time you see a verb that starts with a ter or a year, okay, it's either a male or a female, or it could be a plural if it ends in a certain way. So in this case, when we talk about number 2, okay, the word ras is feminine. Rasi, where does the E come from?
As in my.
TA, exakt.
TA.
TA or TA, exakt. Okay, there it is. That is there. Okay. إسا يك إسا أنا أجيب مرة ل body parts or family members, okay, is when the suffix, the ending, joins to the word. For example, rasi, my mother. كيف نقول my mother? Ommi, there's the E. Okay. What about my face? Witchy. Okay. But you can do siju. ما نقول sijui, for example. كمان نقول sijui. ونعمل لي بعدين. All right. نقول siju ti. Your TA. Siju ti. So mostly body parts and family members have the suffix of like the my, yours, recessive. Okay. There are other words that have this, that have the ending, but there are not many. For example, my house. So my house, we say idarti. We check my house. My house. So there are some words that take that type of suffix, but in this case, you can use either. But in the on me or witchy, it would sound really strange if you said on TA. You'd still be understood, but that's not the correct way we speak. We would say dig on me. We don't say dig on TA. Dark TA. With the house, we can say dar TA, or we can say dari. So you've got a choice there. But with the body parts, most body parts and family members, you've got to actually use it. So that's why it's really important to learn these as they are. All right.
Rosemary, just Omi TA strategy.
ما نقولش.
Omi strategy هذا.
Omi strategy هذا. I mean, you'll be understood. ما نقولش. مش naturally. It's not natural. All right. All right. So أنا normally أنا الدرسة. So how do we say truth normally?
سنين.
Just one.
سنينة.
Sinna is 1 tooth. Nina a lot. Okay. بالمالتي when we say همور عند dentist أش عندي toothache. My tooth hurts. ما نقول just عندي أتوجعني السنة. نقول أتوجعني درسة. Anyone know what darsa is? It's a type of tooth. They're the molars. The big tooth molar. Okay, molar. So we say because my molar hurts. Okay, my tooth hurts. So you would never say أتوجعني السنة. You say أتوجعني درسة. Okay. Then we've got the word za is feminine. Widna. I'll write it again for you. Za is feminine. Widna is feminine. And the reason we put the ter in there is because you can't put an I at the end here. Okay, it looks strange, and also two vowels together don't like each other. So then we say widinti. Okay, this is spalla, same thing. It ends in a vowel, so we can't put an I there. So we say spalti. Okay, C-E, and ein is feminine. Just think, you just have to remember these as they are. And the reason you have to remember them is because when you are describing these, okay, you have to know that they're female. So if you want to say, this is my shoulder, you can't say Dan, sfalti, you have to say din sfalti. Okay. The ras is a good one to remember. Okay. Ras is female because it's got the brain in it. All right. And the brain عليك مرة. All right.
ايوه
Ras. All right. Okay. Empatana on Eugani on or maski dar. We spell it like this dar. The silent is in the middle, so the R is longer. Okay. Dar. But when we say my back, we say dari, and it's not a long R, so then we drop that A, the second A. Eugani li stonku. Stonku. Okay. Quick question. Shini differenza ben stonku o za?
Stomple is internal.
Mhm.
But that is what you see, as in your stomach.
Yeah, yeah. So stonku, the doctor yesterday explained it well. Stonku is the organ where the food goes in. L'organi. Okay. The stonku that you don't see it inside. Or zaki is the one that you pat when you're full. Yeah. Okay, so there's the difference. Zaki is feminine, or stonku is masculine. Right. Il plural. Okay. Now, ma differenza bil-Malti ħafna bejn hand, per esempio, and arm. Nużaw idejja, both for the hand and for the arm. Okay. There are proper words for it. We've got the word feet, sa'ayya, but we've got also this word rijleya, which are legs. Sa'ayya and feet. We've got the rain for hands. Sorry, for arms. I'll show you the thing coming up next. The photos coming up next. All right. Now, any questions? Let's see Dean.
Yeah.
It's just a matter of reading. Do you want me to read it through quickly for you, so you can have it on recording, or do you think you're okay?
I'll read it.
Read it through. Okay. Just notice numbers Batash, number 17. That throat in Maltese is a plural. We say my throats hurt, not my throat. So that has to be a plural. All right, here we go. And you taras, tujani rasi, tujani darsa, tujani zaki, tujani widinti, tujani spalti, tujani sii, tujani aini. Yujani oni, yujani dari, yujani listonku, yujani spaleya, yujani ideya, yujani saaya, yujani widneya, yujani grizmeya, yujani rijleya, yujani aineya. All right, Hanaki Dean, all right. If you go into the recording later on, you can always take screenshots if you like. Okay. All right, Hanaki. Issa. Allora, x'għandna x'nagħmlu aktar? Termi għadda, ma kont magħna termi għadda. Iva, klida kontu mija, jew xi termi għadda ma